Hello 10 standard. Welcome to SS class. Today we are going to continue with the third chapter from your SS textbook, Cultural Heritage of India's Culture and Architecture. And we'll start with chariot temples. Now, chariot temples, they were the unique feature of Pallava age, right? Pallava kings जो थे of South India के, they were quite skillful, वो बहुत skillful थे कि single rock से एक single chariot temple कैसे बनाया जाता है. Unique feature of Pallava age can be seen in the famous chariot temple of South India, which is carved out from a single rock. Example, Kailashnath Temple of Kanchi and Temple of Venkat Perumal are the best examples of architectural art. Apart from above, mandaps at Mahabalipuram and chariot temples of Mahabalipuram are world famous. Each of them is a rock-cut temple. These chariots are named after the names of Pandavas. Chariot temple of Dharamraj is the biggest one, whereas the chariot temple of Draupadi is the smallest. Next comes temple architecture. The temple architecture जो है, it is very famous. Indian temples are known for their beauty, right? In the field of temple architecture, many temples are seen with high pedestal. Pedestal का मतलब होता है जो base या foundation जो होता है, right? And pinnacle with stairs. Pinnacle का मतलब height और शिखर जिसको आप बोल सकते हैं, with stairs. Some of the temples are flat with pradakshina part encircling the garbhagriha. That is the innermost part of the temple. Examples: the Bumra Shiva temple near Jabalpur, temples of Larkhan in Bijapur district, copper statue of Lord Buddha in Nalanda, Jain temples of Mathura are unique specimen or examples of architecture and sculpture. And Pallava kings, they had contributed a lot in temple making. There is a great contribution of Pallava kings. Temples constructed in Kachi, the capital city of Pallava, are very famous. Tanjavur was the capital of Chola dynasty. The Greater Bradeshwar temple was first temple which was constructed by Raj Raja of Chola dynasty. It is about 200 meters high. It is an extraordinary temple of ancient India. Then let us move towards the architecture of Gopuram. Gopuram का मतलब होता है entrance of the temple. Gopuram means entrance of the temple. The construction of temples gained momentum due to the encouragement of Pandya rulers of South India. जो गोपुरम जो entrance of the temple जो था ना वो बहुत decorative होता था. It was more decorative than the inner temple, right? They built high outer walls, beautifully decorated gates outside the temple. The gates of these temples are known as Gopuram. The artistic glory of Gopuram has become more popular than its temples. Gopuram of Kanchi and Madurai gives us a peaceful aesthetic pleasure even today when viewed from distance. ये जो है inner sketches हैं temple के, the parts of the temple. गर्भगृह. गर्भगृह का मतलब क्या होता है? It means a small dark rectangular room in which the idol or मूर्ति रखी जाती है. This is गर्भगृह. You can see the architecture of Gopuram, जहाँ पर idol या मूर्ति रखी जाती है. In Gujarat, it is known as Gabharo. Gopuram, it means the gateway of southern Indian temple. The two stories of temples are convex shape, and the other two stories are aloft to make a pyramidal structure that makes Gopuram strong. You can see this Gopuram, ये जो नीचे की जो stories होती हैं, ये convex shape की होती हैं. जैसे when they move higher up, it is given a pyramid shape. Then comes Mandap. This is again third part of the temple. It is a big hall which is constructed on the pillar and has a huge area lying in front of the main gate. This is called Mandap. This is a place, right? This is called Mandap. Then pinnacle, जिसको हम height या शिखर भी बोल सकते हैं. The pointed exterior part of the garbhagruh at the top is known as pinnacle. It is plated either with gold or brass. हम लोगों ने temples वगैरह में देखा होगा, right? ये जो ऊपर का portion होता है, right? या तो brass या gold का बना हुआ होता है, ये जो पूरा शिखर या height होती है. नीचे ये पूरा गर्भगृह and उसके ऊपर जो है शिखर या pinnacle, which is made up of gold or brass. Then Viman. Viman is a part of a temple which is semicircle or in sloping shape. It has many stories which looks like a pyramid. These are the inner parts of a temple. The Sun Temple of Konark, which is in Odisha, it is one of the forms of the chariot temple. Brideshwar Temple of Tanjore has 13-storied gopuram. Metallic and stone idols of this age have a special characteristic features. Bronze statue of Nataraj is the best example of idol sculpting of that time. Chola temples have their own splendor, that is beauty in the field of art and architecture. Meenakshi, which is one of the huge temples of India, is in Madurai, which spreads in vast area. It has 4 main gopurams, and 4 main entrances from the architectural point of view. It is a wonderful temple. In the medieval period, Khajuraho was the capital of Chandela rulers of Bundelkhand. Chandela rulers built a beautiful temples at Khajuraho. The style of pinnacle varies from others. Khajuraho temples are the finest temples. Now, let us move towards Jain temples, जिसको हम देरासर भी बोलते हैं. Jain temples are found at various places of India, whether at Rajgruh, Vipulachal, Ratnagiri, Udaygiri, Sharmgiri are the 5 Jain temples. There is Siddhikshetra pilgrim in Samit Shikharji, Bihar. It is also known as Madhuban. Adinath Bhagwan and other 20 Tirthankars attained nirvana. Nirvana means moksha. There are temples of Abhinandan Nathji and Parshavnath. Bhagwan Mahavir reached here and many sages attained salvation, moksha. There is a Jain temple at Palitana and Shankeshwar temple at Panchasra in Gujarat. Jain temple at Delwara in Mount Abu and Ranakpur in Rajasthan are excellent and wonderful works of construction carving, artistic skills and sculpture point of view. Especially Delwara temples of Abu, which have been constructed by Minister Vimal Shah and Vimal Vasahi and the other ministers. Vastupal constructed Luna Vasahi are excellent examples of this sculpture. These are constructed with white marbles. They are famous in India as well as abroad because of their attractive, minute carving. They are famous in India as well as abroad because of their attractive, minute and artistic work of sculpture. These temples are wonderful and memorable gifts of Jain religion to Indian culture. Jain temples are worldwide famous due to their art of sculpture and architecture. The Jain ka temple hai Delwara mein, it is very famous, right? It was constructed by Vimal Shah and it was constructed by Vimal Shah. And you know there are 2 temples, that is Vimal Vasai and Luna Vasai. They were constructed in Delwara temples in Abu, and the ministers जो थे ना विमल शाह and वास्तुपाल, ठीक है, उन्होंने ये construct करवाया था, ठीक है. Sun Temple of Modhera. Modhera Temple in Gujarat that is in Mehsana district, was built in 1026 AD during the reign of Solanki King Bhimdev I. In this temple, a gem matlab precious stone, was studded in the middle of the crown of sun god. मतलब जो precious stone जो है वो बीचों बीच sun god के crown के ऊपर जो है it has been embedded या studded. The entrance gate on the eastern side of this temple is constructed in such a way that the first rays of the sun falls directly on the gem, and because of this the entire sandstone is lit up. ऐसा बोला जाता है कि जो मतलब जो gem जो है, जो precious gem जो है, it is embedded in the middle of the crown of the sun god. और जो entrance gate है eastern side से of this temple, वो जब खुलता है, right, it is constructed in such a way the first rays of the sun they fall directly on the gem और पूरा जो है temple वो shine करता है and it creates a divine atmosphere. 12 different images of sun god are seen in this temple. The carving of this temple is done in an Iranian school of art. और उनके around Sun Temple of Modhera ke around, there are 108 small temples surrounding the outside tank, which creates a pleasant sight at dusk and dawn. Dusk and dawn मतलब सुबह और शाम को. वो जो 108 मंदिर जो हैं, right, जब आरती होती है या जब लाइट होती है, right, and in the middle there is there's a tank मतलब लेक जो है, तो वो जो फॉल होती है उसकी इमेज, राइट, इट इज रियली एक्चुअली ब्यूटीफुल. Then comes the medieval architecture. When we talk about the medieval architecture, we are talking about the mosque, minarets, royal palaces, bridges, and inns, right? The architecture of mosque, minarets, royal palaces, bridges, inns, etc. are seen in the medieval age. Qutbuddin Aibak built Qutub Minar and Quwwat-ul-Islam Mosque. Qutbuddin Aibak ने क्या बनाया था? Qutub Minar and Quwwat-ul-Islam Mosque. Similar mosque, also named Adhai Din Ka Jhopra, was also built by Qutbuddin Aibak in Ajmer. Bengal में Adina Mosque at Pandau region of Bengal, tomb of Jalalu Muhammad Shah and Tatipara Mosque were constructed. This region has developed in its own special style in the field of architecture. Jaunpur ने Sultans of Turkey built Atala Mosque. There is an artistic grill around the dome. The walls and ceilings are decorated with many Indian designs, including lotus. Then in Malwa, peculiar style of Mandu building is seen under the protection of sultans. Many such domes have been created over there. The huge and impressive domes or carvings of balcony in the structure are attractive. Tomb of Hushang Shah is completely made of marble in Indian style. In other provinces like the rulers of Kashmir and Bahmani built dome of Bijapur, building at Bidar, Gulbagani and Madrasa of Muhammad Gawa temples of Hampi, Vitthal, Swami and Hazar Rama. Gopurams and artistic pillars are also well-known art of Vijayanagar Empire. Now let us move towards the architecture of Gujarat. ऐसा बोला जाता है कि गुजरात का जो स्कल्पचर और आर्किटेक्चर जो है वो इतना फेमस है, बहुत ज्यादा ब्यूटीफुल है. That is why it attracts many tourists. Sculpture and architecture of Gujarat include temples of various religions, mosques, viharas of Buddha religion, mutt, stupas, chaityas, cave temples, Jain temples. Besides this, there are different types of buildings, constructions useful for the society, like royal palaces, forts, domes, gates, Kirti Stambh, that is a tower of fame, inns, जिसको हम centuries बोलते हैं, उपश्रया, विस्मास, verandas, उपश्रया विस्मास मतलब जहाँ पर जो जैन monks जो होते थे वो रेस्ट करते थे, मेडिटेट करते थे, ठीक है. Jarokhas, that is skylight, watchtower, arcs, wells, step wells, जिसको हम वाव भी बोलते हैं. Lakes and ponds, figures of animals, birds are most beautiful and magnificent structures. All these structures, architecture can be seen in Gujarat. Temple. In the religious field of temples, different religions have been built in Gujarat. They are temples of Bhadrakali, Gita Mandir, Veda Temple, Jagannath Temple in Jamalpur, Ranchod Ranchodri Rai Ji Temple, Thakur में, Sun Temple at Modhera, Hatkeshwar Mahadev Temple in Vadnagar, Ambaji Temple, Shamlaji Temple, Somnath Temple, Jagat Temple in Dwarka, Baucharji Temple, Mahakali Temple in Pavagadh, Swaminarayan Temples, Brahmaji Temples in Khedma Brahma, Kodiyar Mataji Temple in Bhavnagar, Madam Ashapuram in Kutch, etc. Mosque, Jama Masjid near Teen Darwaza is in Ahmedabad. Sultan Ahmad Shah I built this mosque in 1424 AD. It has got 260 pillars and 15 domes. Other structure includes Siddhi Sayyid Grill with minute very small carvings, Rosa of Sarkhet, shaking towers of minarets in Ahmedabad, Mosque of Queen Sipri, which is also known as Mosque of Nagina, Jama Masjid at Champaner. There are many such mosques in big cities of Gujarat. Then we can also see Jain temples in Gujarat, Jain temples of Hadissin, Kumbh Raiji, Shankeshwar, Siddhgiri, Shatranjagiri, Palitana, etc. are quite well known from sculpture, architecture and carving point of view. And stepwells of Gujarat, that is a wow. Stepwell of Adalaj Nivav, जिसको अपन बोलते हैं. Stepwell of Dada Hari, that is Hari Nivav. Ranini stepwell of Patan, stepwell of the Boy, are very splendid examples of stepwell construction. Apart from this, there are many best specimens in the field of architecture. Example, Fort of Bhadra, Teen Darwaja, Naginawadi, Kankaria Lake, Rudra Mahal, Sidhpur, Shastraling Lake in Patan, Chauri of Shamlaji, Samadhi of Danareli, Kirti Toran in Vadnagar, Hunsar Lake in Viramgam, Malav Lake in Dholka. This art adds to the dignity and glory of Gujarat. Today, Gujarat shines like star in the world map because of its art and sculpture, architecture and carving. These are the inner sketch of mosque architecture. Now let us read about that. Information about the inner sketch of mosque. Galyara. What is Galyara? Galyara is the entrance and exit from the mosque. Right? Qibla is a part of architecture, is a part of a mosque or hall भी उसको बोलते हैं जहाँ पर नमाज पढ़ी जाती है. It is a part of a hall or a hall wall where a namaz is performed. It is always in the direction of Kaaba. Then Liwan is a room in mosque with pillars. Then Maksura is the end of mosque wall, is known as Maksura, which is separated by railing. You can see this in the picture. See, it is separated by the railing. This is Maksura. Okay. Then comes Mehrab. Mehrab is the interior part of the mosque wall and which is of height of human height. It indicates the correct direction of Makkah and is also known as Mehrab. In India, Mehrab is generally kept in the west direction. And last comes Sahan. It is a campus of a mosque where all the followers of Islam, they get together for prayers, is known as Sahan. With this, we end this third chapter from your SS textbook.